Welcome back to another new video. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Oh my god, this is Sony's Xperia 10 Mark V, a compact mid-ranger that boasts some of the best battery life we've seen on this channel. But besides the battery, what else does this phone have to offer? And it sets itself apart with a unique form factor and a strong emphasis on battery life. Not much has changed since its predecessor, but you do get some improvements like stereo speakers and a new main camera. The display has also been slightly bumped up in size by 0.1 inches, making the phone a tad larger but surprisingly lighter, weighing just 159 grams. The phone's design features a plastic back and frame, which is similar to last year's model. However, one standout feature is the ingress protection rating of IP65, IP68, something not commonly found in mid-range devices. The display is a 6.1-inch OLED with a 1080p resolution, tall 21:9 aspect ratio, and protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. Sony opted for front-facing stereo speakers instead of a single speaker, and they offer good loudness and clean sound with nice mids and highs. On the side, there's a convenient side-mounted fingerprint reader integrated into the power button, though it might not be the fastest in the market. The Xperia 10 Mark V runs on nearly stock Android 13 with some Sony-specific features layered on top. This means you get a clean and familiar Android experience with minimal bloatware. However, some of the proprietary features found in higher-end Sony models, like custom camera apps and game enhancer, are missing in this device. Now, let's talk about performance. The Xperia 10 Mark V is equipped with a Snapdragon 6955G chipset, which was also present in its predecessor. Unfortunately, the performance falls behind its competitors, leading to occasional slowdowns and stutters during day-to-day tasks. Thermal management could also use some improvement, especially during prolonged stress tests. However, on the bright side, the chipset is power efficient, and combined with its 5000 mAh battery, the Xperia 10 Mark V delivers one of the best battery life experiences, earning an impressive endurance rating of 175 hours in our proprietary battery tests. Speaking of battery, it's worth noting that the phone doesn't come with a charger in the box, but with a proper adapter, we were able to charge the device from 0 to 37% in half an hour, which is somewhat unimpressive. Now, let's move on to the camera performance. The Xperia 10 Mark V features a new 48 megapixels main camera, an 8 megapixels telephoto zoom, and an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera. The main camera captures 12 megapixels photos by default, and the quality is decent with good detail and natural colors. In low light, the results are acceptable but may appear slightly underexposed. Night shooting mode helps brighten things up, improving the overall image quality. Video recording is limited to 1080p due to chipset limitations. The quality is decent, but some noise may be visible in low light conditions. Electronic stabilization is available across all cameras and does a great job of smoothing out bumps and shakes. The 8 megapixels front-facing camera captures selfies with plenty of detail and natural colors. The dynamic range is wide, ensuring good exposure in most lighting conditions. So, that's the Xperia 10 Mark V for you. It's a well-built compact mid-ranger with outstanding battery life. You also get the added benefit of stereo speakers and a brighter display compared to other devices in this price range. However, it falls short in terms of chipset performance, lacking a high refresh rate on its display. If these factors don't bother you, the Xperia 10 Mark V could be a worthy option. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're considering alternatives to the Xperia 10 Mark V, you might want to check out the Samsung Galaxy A54 or the Google Pixel 6a. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.